how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up a fun box. This is called Walt Life, and this is all about Disney. So as you can see, even the box is like so cute and festive. It says, "Your Walt Life adventure begins. Walt Life, special delivery." It's just like so fun. Look how cute this box is. So this is the November box, and Walt Life is all Disney, but they have multiple different subscription options. So I think there's about 6 options available starting at $30. And in them you get like Disney park items, Disney mystery items, a bunch of different, like some snacks. So depending on what you want or how much stuff you want, you can choose your box, and you also get to customize your box by telling them if it's for a prince or a princess or like gender neutral. So I told them princess, so I wanted like kind of like female themed stuff. And then you also give them an age range. So you could do all ages, 18 plus, like 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 10, 12, you know, whatever the age groups are. So you can really customize this box to your liking. So I'm gonna link them down below. And it looks like on their website they do have a code. I'll leave that down below too. And this isn't mine or anything, I just found it. It's 5% off your first box if you use code WaltLife. So the box I believe I'm opening today is the Magic Plus box, which is $48. And in this box you should get 1 or more Disney park items, 4 or more Disney mystery items. You get to customize your box, which I already told you about. And yeah, free US shipping, but I think it says free US shipping on all of these boxes. But yeah, is that enough information? I think so. So yeah, I'm gonna link them down below. I also always link down below any active giveaways I have going on our channel, so check those out if you haven't yet already. But let's start unboxing this fun box. When you open it, this is what it looks like. Even the inside of the box is all colorful. So I guess it says on here, like, once upon a dream, adventures out there. Any day spent with you is my new favorite day. My dream wouldn't be complete without you. And then bring it on. And then it says Walt Life, live your Disney story. And then I guess if you share your box on social media, you can enter to win a prize. So that's cool. So I'm pulling out the first thing I see in here. There's a cat being naughty. Archer! Well, whatever. Oh, so this is by Disney Pixar Monsters. This is a sticky note set of 6. Ooh, and I love stuff like this. Oh wow, and there's actually even a price tag on here. It's $14.95, and it is officially Disney. So I know some people want like actual Disney products. This box has that. So it looks like there's like some eyes on one of them. Like there's a bunch of different designs in here. They're so cute. Awesome, so this is item number 1. Oh, and I think I forgot to mention, I told them for the age, either all ages or 18 plus. I'd be happy with either of those. All right, so this is Danielle Nicole. That is a good purse designer. What? It's the One Bite cosmetic case in color red. Like Danielle, oh my God. Sorry, cat just caused some commotion. I think a box fell and he got scared. But Danielle Nicole, I think I have a handbag by Danielle Nicole. Let's get this open and see. I'm so curious. Yeah, Disney, Danielle Nicole. So they must have done a collaboration. So cute. And this is $18.95. Wow, I think it's kind of cool they leave the price tag on so we know what we're getting, you know? Oh, so this is supposed to be like the apple and Snow White, I think. This is One Bite on the front. And on the back you can see Danielle Nicole, and there's a zipper. It's shaped like an apple / heart, right? This would be a good like coin purse, I would think. So inside, that's what it looks like. It's pretty small, but on the inside there also is the Disney and Danielle Nicole logo. So this is super cool. I think this is super cute. Definitely I would use this like as a coin purse, or like to use put whatever, something smaller in your bigger bag. So awesome. It's really cool. Yeah, like they collaborated. Oh, this is cute. I swear, Disney lovers would just die over this box. I like Disney. I'm just saying, like, you know, like the huge stand. So this is $14.99, and this is Disney product, Disney licensed product, distributed by Disney themed merchandise. And this is a keychain, and it has like Minnie's ears. Can you guys see that? It's like kind of studded. And then here you can see that it is a Disney park item. And you can just clip it on easily or use this. This is so cute. I love that it's pink. This is awesome. And then we have a lanyard. And this says, "To Infinity and Beyond." It's Toy Story. Oh, it's kind of stretchy too. But this is what it looks like. You can see Buzz on there. Buzz Lightyear. And here's the little clip so you can put like keys, ID, whatever. And this says, "Buckle Down, officially licensed product." The lanyard, the Toy Story lanyard. Cool. Oh, interesting. This is by Disney. It says Disney Eats Ice Pack Set of 2. Assortment of blocks. You put these in your... Oh man, so these are like pretty ice packs you put in your freezer and take out when you need them. One's like the Kingdom and one's a Crown. This is so unique. And this is $8.95. You can see it's actually Disney product, and there is the pricing down there. Like, this is seriously so unique. I would never even think to have something like that, but that'll definitely come in handy. I'll put that in my freezer after I film. And then were all the main items. Then we have a few other things, like we have this bookmark here, Walt Life, an exclusive Disney fan club. And that's what it looks like. And I've been reading more, so I could always use that. And then there is this little puzzle. It says Walt Life. And then on the back, so you can like color it and then they can play with it. So I think I definitely got the all ages box. And then also in here is like this little coin. So it's really cool. You can like turn the box into a game board. And it says in there like you can collect these coins. It says collect all 8 Walt Life coins and win a trip for 2 to Disney World. So that's super cool. So if you get this box every month, you have the chance to win a free trip to Disney World. And Disney's not cheap, you know, it costs a lot to get there. I only live a few hours away and I'm planning a trip pretty soon, hopefully. I was just talking to a friend, they want to go, so I'm hoping we'll go. So we got this cute little Color Me puzzle. Well, I'll have to share with the little one I know. This Walt Life bookmark, which I'll definitely use because like I said, I've been reading a lot. We have the Toy Story or Buzz Lightyear lanyard. This ice pack set of 2, which I think this is so unique and cool. This Monsters Inc., these little sticky notes. I use stuff like this all the time, so this will definitely come in handy. And what I think is so cool, is this Danielle, Nicole, and Disney collaboration. This is one bite. I just think that's so cute. And again, that's what it looks like. It has the tags on it and everything. I think that is so awesome. I'll definitely use this. I love the red color. And did I show you like that it's like a silver zipper handle? So that's awesome. And then this is so cute too, and this is like really straight. I think this will make a great keychain. Definitely gonna have to use this for one of my keys. So we have the Minnie ears, and they are all studded. So yeah, I think this box is super great for like Disney fans. Like I said, I've opened this box up before. So I will link that down below if you want to see like what else they have out there, and I'm also going to link their website. So like I said, like if you want it, like the most affordable one is $30, and that you get 3 or more Disney mystery items, and that's a classic box. And the magic box is $39 and you get 4 or more items. The snack box, which is totally different, is $69 and you get 5 or more Disney park snacks. And yeah, they look really good. They're like actually from the park. Oh my god, one looks like it's like an apple covered with chocolate. It's like, looks like Minnie or Mickey or something. That's so cute. And then there's a surprise box. It says, planning a surprise trip to Disney. The surprise box is the perfect way to make your Disney vacation announcement. Oh, that's so cute. I've seen videos on YouTube where like parents surprise their kids at the Disney trip. They're like, we're leaving for Disney today and stuff. Like, I think that's so cute and pretty smart, because you don't want to tell your kid like too early in advance or they'll get like overly excited. So I think that's so sweet. I didn't even notice that one before. In the Kingdom box, which is $79, you get 3 Disney park items, 3 Disney mystery items, at least 3 plus it says for those. And then the one I believe I'm opening is $48 Magic Plus box. You get 1 Disney park item and 4 Disney mystery items. So yeah, they have a bunch of options. I love that you can customize it for age and gender and all of that. But oh my god, I think that is the surprise box just still has me like smiling. That's so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna link that all down below, so if you're interested, check it out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.